Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.16 Input base door panel quantity in cell U498. Base door panel dimensions are detailed dimensions. Base door panel A or L dimensions are entered in row 498. A or L means all or left, which is the usual door position option. The layout design used in this application mimics the fixture shape or order as it will be fabricated. Dimensions are measured from the customer's point of view. Usually there is one door panel in each opening. However, multiple doors in an opening does occur. In the regular use of the dimension buttons on the elevation sheet, when you click a button, you are prompted to enter all 5 dimensions numbers. Find and click the button labeled DMNS, S1, DOR, BSE, A or L, LWR. That means dimensions, section 1, door, base, all or left, lower. In the instructions example, each of the 5 entries is done separately. All instructions examples that begin with input are macros that switch to the project dimension sheet and place the cursor in the cell in which the entry is to be made. The base door panel is located in the lower area of the fixture. Therefore, within the group of detailed dimensions, the base door panel is lower in the list of dimensions. Exit the macro after reading the message by clicking the OK button. Enter the amount specified by the macro. In cell U498, enter quantity 1. The quantity can be more or less than 1 or fractional. This is the last door panel dimension value that is entered. After entering the door panel quantity, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 1.3.16 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.3.17.